Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you my recent bag haul. Are you excited? Before jumping into the video, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Now, let's get started. This is my first ever leather bag from ZARA and I absolutely love it. Look how pretty the color is. Absolutely love the color of it and the embroidery is so beautiful. Absolutely my favorite. The prices are listed in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. The next one is from SHEIN. I love the chevron pattern on it, so classy. Okay, you can clearly see that I have a thing for chevron at the moment and I am loving it. This is so pretty and it fits my phone and all the small necessary things that you need on a day-to-day basis. Got this one for the unique color and I absolutely love it. It looks really chic and classy when you wear it. I'm sure you are a bag lover like me, that's why you are watching this video. So let me know in the comment section your favorite bag. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I really love making these type of videos. Let me know in the comment section the kind of videos you want to watch and I would love making them for you guys. I love you guys so much. I'll be back super soon with yet another interesting video. Bye.